Hello friends! So, today we will talk about idioms. Idioms are fixed expressions that don't always make sense if you translate them word by word. But they are very colorful and show the character of the Ukrainian language. Today we will learn 10 popular Ukrainian idioms. So first, не жени коней. Literally, don't push the horses. This phrase is like saying don't rush or take it easy. It became even more popular as a joke when the Ukrainian boxer Alexander Usyk said in English, don't push the horses. People loved it because it sounded funny, but the meaning is very simple. Don't hurry too much. Не жени коней. Бити байдики. Literally, to be the байдики. It's a nonsense word, just байдики. Бити байдики. This means to be lazy, to do nothing useful, just wasting time. If someone is lying on the sofa all day instead of working, you can say he is beaten байдики. Він б'є байдики. Next one is водити за ніс. Literally, to lead someone by the nose. This means to deceive someone, to trick them, to keep them under control without letting them know the truth. For example, if someone promises you something again and again but never delivers, they are leading you by the nose. Вони водять вас за ніс. Next one is also about nose. Зарубити на носі. Literally, to cut it on your nose. Зарубити на носі. It doesn't mean to hide your face. Not at all. Historically, nose meant a wooden stick for notes. This idiom means remember something very well. Keep it in your mind forever. Зарубити на носі. You can say also зарубити собі на носі. To remind. Next one. Збити з пантелику. Literally, to knock out of pantelic. An old word, also a nonsense. Pantelic is nothing. This means to confuse someone completely, to make them lose their way in thoughts or actions. For example, if someone asks you a tricky question, it can збити з пантелику. Ти збив мене з пантелику. You know. What's going on? Я збитий з пантелику. Okay. Next one is я кіт наплакав. Literally, as much as a cat had cried. What do you think does it mean? Я кіт наплакав. This idiom means very little. Almost nothing. If you have only a few coins left, you can say money, гроші, як кіт наплакав. Як кіт наплакав. Викинути з голови. Literally, to throw something out of your head. This means викинути з голови. This means to forget about something, to stop worrying. For example, if you had a bad day, your friend might tell you просто викинь це з голови. І все. That's all. Як у воду дивився. Literally, as if looking into water. Як у воду дивився in the past, right? This phrase describes someone who predicted something very accurately. When their word come true, people say, It's like he was looking into water. Він як у воду дивився. Знав, he knew. Next one is тримати язик за зубами. Literally to hold your tongue behind your teeth. Тримати язик за зубами. This idiom means to keep silent, to keep a secret. If you know something important but must not tell anyone, you тримай язик за зубами. So, that's all for part 1. These idioms are fun and colorful, but most importantly, they make your Ukrainian sound more natural. Thank you for watching and see you! I create these videos to help you train your listening skills and get used to real Ukrainian. But in my lessons you get much more. We work with my own conversation club practice, where you improve your speaking. So go ahead and book a lesson on Preply. It's an international platform for online learning where you can easily and safely find me and schedule your classes. You'll find the link below this video or in my profile header.